You know what, Vince, Bruce, Kevin, People Power, John, Nick, all y'all are amazing motherfuckers. All of y'all. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew that Seth Rollins was gonna interfere and cost Cody the U.S. title. Against Austin Theory by DQ. He retains the Cody. Austin retains the U.S. title. Wait. Cody Rhodes won the match by disqualification. The title did not change hands. Way to go, Vince, Bruce, Kevin, Nick Khan, Johnny, Ace, Cody. Man, you should never came back, man. You made the big mistake coming back to WWE, man. You should never came back. You should have never came back to WWE. You should never came back to WWE. You came back to the same company, the same fucking company that treated you like shit, the same company that hated your father, hated your brother. When your father became your father, when your father first came to WWE in 1989, that old bastard Vince never gave him the chance to become, made him a WWE champion. He never became. Yeah, your father, your late father, the American Dream, Dusty Rhodes, was never a WWE champion. Never. You made a big mistake, Cody, coming back to WWE, man. You made a real fucking mistake coming back to WWE. Big mistake. They're gonna fuck you over, Cody. They're really gonna fuck you. They really fucked you over tonight, and they're gonna fuck you over again. Vince, Bruce, Kevin, Johnny Ace, and Nick. They're all gonna fuck you over again, just like tonight. Damn, all I say is damn you, Seth Rollins. It's stupid, arrogant. Vince, you really. I understand why in the world WWE creating let this stupid, arrogant, egotistical motherfucker Seth Rollins screw over Cody Rhodes. It's unbelievable. It's a terrible shit pile show tonight. A shit pile freaking show. Cody, they're gonna screw you over. They're gonna fuck you over, Cody. They're really gonna fuck you over. Because Vince McMahon does not give a shit about you. He doesn't give a shit about you all. This is the same man who hated your father. He hated your father. He hated your fucking late father. God rest his soul, the American Dream, Dusty Rhodes. And y'all know why? Because his real freaking name was Virgil. And Virgil was the name of the $1 Million Man Ted DiBiase's manager. Sorry. Yeah. 2000. Yeah, I remember way back in 2013, you did a cut promo, a little cut promo, a little shoot, little pipe bomb in an interview back in on my birthday, September 2nd. It was September 2nd, 2013. The night I turned 25 years old. You talked about how the McMahons hated the Rhodes family. He hated how they hated your father, make him dress up as polka dots, make him dance in front of the crowd, and about how he hated your father, Dustin Reynolds, better known as Goldust in WWE, how to make you dress up as a drag queen, make him put gold and black paint on, and how he was never been the same, and how he's never been the freaking same. You're unbelievable, Vince. You, Nick, Bruce, People Power, Johnny Ace. Yeah, you, Bruce. You, Bruce, Kevin, People power Johnny Ace and Nick are unbelievable. And what about tonight? The match, Miz being the special guest referee in a match against Tommaso Ciampa, being the special guest referee. And what happens? What the hell happens? You let him pull a fast count. You let the Miz pull a fast fucking count on Mustafa Ali. Unbelievable. This is a terrible show tonight. I mean, we already earlier tonight we already seen Liv Morgan getting screwed over by Rhea Ripley. I mean, we already saw the Alpha Academy talk um running their mouths, and we also saw Kevin Owens fooling everyone. There's it's Ken Owens. Are you kidding me? Unbelievable. And the only thing that also makes me happy was Sonya Deville. Was Sonya Deville getting exactly what she deserves? That fucking pain in the ass lesbian. This is a really shit pile show. I can't understand it and stand this tonight. I can't. You screwed over Mustafa Ali tonight, and you really screwed over Cody Rhodes tonight. See, Cody Rhodes should have never came back to WWE. She should have never came back to WWE. He should have stayed with. He should have stayed in AEW as the chief executive officer. They're gonna. I'm telling you, Cody. They're gonna fuck you over again, man. They're really gonna fuck you over. Vince is really gonna fuck you over, man. They're really gonna fuck you over tonight. I mean, in the days to come, years to come, because you never should have come back. Because Vince McMahon holds that grudge against your family. He hates the Rhodes family. Oh, I can't. Oh, what a terrible another lackluster show tonight. I knew this was coming. You really let this. You really let Cody Rhodes get screwed over tonight, and you let Mustafa Ali get screwed over tonight. Austin Theory is still this arrogant punk, little fucking punk, is still the U.S. champion. And tonight, Vince, you fucked over Cody Rhodes, and you're gonna fuck him over again and again, sometime in the days and years to come. Once again, you pissed all these fans, all of us off tonight, Vince. You really did. I'm the Godfather of Soul, Justin Lewis family. Now I approve this message. Have a good night. Peace. I'm out of here.